what's up guys, it's me Wolfie, back at it with another video. Today is a special day for me. I'm gonna test ride this thing, see if I like it. Of course I'm gonna like it, and then hopefully I'll get it home with me. Let me look at this thing. I'm not sure if it's 2007 or 2008, but either way it's pretty cool. Doesn't really matter. First time sitting, or not sitting, I've sat on it before, riding a 600cc. Oh, I stalled it. I think I'm just gonna take a ride with it. Seating position is not that bad, to be honest. Not gonna lie guys, I fell in love with this thing. I went through the gears, worked smoothly. It has only 14,000 kilometers, not even miles. It's in pretty mint condition. Has a Buick windscreen. Everything else is stock. I forgot. Yeah, Continental Conti Motion or something like that. The tires, they're brand new. Let's see the high beam. So we're taking this beauty home. So if you have any suggestion for a name or anything, drop it down below. I'm so stuck. I'll go fill it up and then go home, go for a quick ride. I don't even believe this. This is like a dream come true. I'm thinking of changing stock mirrors to bar ends, but I don't know. I'll have fun with it. I'll go for a month and then test everything out, see how it works. This kid was like, ooh, sheesh. I'm so thankful to have this. I can't even believe it. Sorry if it's windy. Nah, beauty's ass. So I have a lot of plans for this bike. Just like I need some time with it to know which things that I want to get first, which things that are actually necessary. This thing is sweet. I can definitely feel the heat more than the 400. That's alright, I can get used to it. The weather is alright. I'm just enjoying this, enjoying the moment. Oh my god, this thing is amazing. That was scary. This thing is actually smoother than my 400 throttle because I don't know, for some odd reason, like when I was in first gear and I would give it gas, it would jerk. You know what I'm saying? So this thing is actually smoother and it has more power. Now we're full. This thing actually like turns better than or like do a U-turn better than the CB400 that I had. This was 6th gear. 6th gear does this. I'm speechless. I'm absolutely speechless. I don't have anything to say about it. I'm just like so happy. This is like a mini goal of mine, a mini dream. It's actually, no, like honestly, it's a dream bike. Like it's not the ultimate dream bike. No, it is the ultimate. No, it's not. I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. This 18-wheeler is trying to hunt me down. No! You can't do that. Let me go. Leave me alone.
I forgot to do an outro when I was riding. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe. See you later boys. Have a good one.